Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art by Ela. I hope each and every one of you is staying indoors and doing well, staying healthy. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a fish in very easy steps and then color it with a very different decorative look. Okay, so first this fish that you see is a sketch of the fish that I have made. This is how it looks. So let me just tell you how you need to draw it. Very simple. All you require is a sheet of paper like this and a pencil. Okay. So you will start with the body of the fish, which goes like this, and the tail. Okay. This portion is the first part that you draw. It's just the way how you draw the body of a fish. Once you have drawn this line, okay, you will draw the eye and this part of the fish, the eye and this part. Okay, and then once you have drawn that, just forget the decoration as of now, forget all this decoration. We will draw the body first. So this is how it looks. Okay, the eye, and then we will draw this line in between. Have a look, this line in between, and then these lines on the either side of the fish, and then the tail. Very simple. You can see it. Okay, then once you're done with it, we will draw two lines on either side of the body of the fish, this part, and put a curly end to it. Okay, it starts from here, goes on either ways, here, like this and like this. Once you are done with that, we will draw the fins like this. See, this is how it looks. Very easy. 4 fins on top and 4 fins at the bottom. And then when we go to the tail part, it's another more line, a different line on top, and just leave it like this. So this is how the sketch will look. Very easy. Take a closer look. Okay, done. Now we will go on to the coloring part of the fish. So for this I have taken a very simple white chart paper and a drawing pencil, and I have drawn this. Okay, now let's go on to the second and the final part of it. Oh wow, look how pretty it looks. So after having drawn this fish, we will color it and see how it looks. I have used only light and dark blue colors, just two colors, and this is how it looks. So what you need to do is first color this part, the lines which are to be done with light blue. See, you can take any other color if you want. I have taken light blue color, and this is how it looks. Okay, so once you are done with the light blue, you can start decorating with a darker shade. I have taken a darker shade here, and once I'm done with the light blue, I have put light shades like this. See, I have put some semicircles here, which I have not done on the drawing, because then the drawing would look very different. It would look very complicated. So to make it look simple, I have drawn a simple sketch like this first, and then when you go on to the color, this is how it looks. All you need to do is take watercolors once you are done with the sketch and paint it the way you want. Okay, so this is how the final drawing looks. So to learn more, or so to know more about my paintings, do turn on to my channel Art by Ela. And that's all for today. I will show you some more patterns, some more fish designs for you in my later videos. Bye, and do take care of yourself and stay in good health. Bye.